Okay, children, welcome back to the 10th class quadratic equations. Let us move to the next topic. Now, solution or you can say roots. Solution or you can say roots of a quadratic equation by factorization method. So, we can find the roots of solution. In polynomial, we will say, as I said before class, we can say they are zeros. We say in the polynomials, we are saying zeros. Here we can say solution or roots. Generally, we say roots. Solution also we can say. So finding the solution or roots of a quadratic equation. There are three methods. One is factorization method, completing the square method, and by quadratic formula. Now we are following the first method, that is finding the roots or solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. That we are going to solve the problems here. First problem. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization method. So already you know about the factorization method in the lower class or previous class. Let us solve this one. So given 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So to find the factors, if there is x square coefficient, you have to multiply with the constant term. You have to multiply with the constant term. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So now 2, 3 is 6. 2 and 3 what here? 5. So we can write the factors here. Minus 5x can be written as minus 2x minus x minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. So 2x square minus 5x plus. So in place of minus 5x we can write minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Suppose if there is no coefficient of x square, then directly for this you have to, for the constant you have to find the factors. So which implies for these two terms we take common. In this both 2x is common, x remains here, minus 2x is common, nothing is what remains 1 here. In this both minus 3 is common, so x remains here, minus taken a common, plus becomes minus 3 once 3 now, so 1 remains is equal to 0. When we take common, we should get the same terms here. So here x minus 1, here also x minus 1. So in this both we can take x minus 1 common, and here what left here? 2x. Here what left here? Minus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies x is equal to 1 and 2x is equal to 3. Minus it transforms right side, it becomes a power plus 3, and which implies x is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore, roots of the quadratic equation, therefore roots is equal to, bracket we can write roots are what here? 1 comma 3 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of the quadratic equation. So now the same problem here. Here 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here also 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. But here what is the question here? Different question. Here for the given equation you have to find the factorization. By using the factorization you have to find the roots. What is what? 1 comma 3 by 2. But here they already given that 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots. Just we have to verify. So for the given equation, you have to verify that how why 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. To verify this, you have to substitute in place of x 1 and 3 by 2. If we substitute in place of x 1 and if we get 0, then we can say that 1 is the root of the quadratic equation. Similarly, if we in place of x, if we substitute 3 by 2 and if we get 0, then also we can say that it is a quadratic. There the 3 by 2 is also the roots of the given quadratic equation. So now, given roots is equal to 1 comma 3 by 2. Roots means what? X value. So first now 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 1. First we will take what? X is equal to 1. Substitute in this 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies 2 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 2. 5 1 is 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies 2 plus 3 what? 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Which implies 5 minus 3 what? 0 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So 1 is therefore 1 is the roots of the quadratic equation. Let us substitute now one more value 3 by 2. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we will substitute x is equal to 3 by 2. In place of x 3 by 2 we will substitute 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 into 3 square 9. 2 square 4. Don't cancel 2 and 2 here because after squaring only you can cancel here. Minus 5 into 3 15. 15 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 ones, 2 twos. So here 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. LCM. So LCM is what to do? When denominators and LCM is same as we should write 9 minus 15. When there is no denominator, we have to multiply with the 2. 2 into 3, 6. That is equal to 0. So 9 into 6 is 15. So 15 minus 15. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Or which implies 0 is equal to 0. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So how we have to verify it here? When we substitute 1 and 3 by 2, if we get LHS and RHS both as 0, then we can say that they are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, let us continue in the exercise problems here. Before I explain about the example problems, now we are moving to the exercise 5.2. Same concept here. Find the roots of the following equations by factorization method. So now here we have integration number root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. So now we have to multiply here. There is x square coefficient. Now we have to multiply this both here. So 5 into, so here root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into 5. Root 2 into root 2 what? 2. 2 into 5 what? 10. For this we have to find the factors. Here 7 is there now. 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10 and 2 plus 5 what? 7. So factors are what? 2 5 is 10 here. So it implies root 2 x square as it is. Now in place of 7x we can write 2x and 5x. 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is as it is. So now in these two terms we have to take common. In these two terms we have to take common. So here 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. That you have to understand here. Why? Because we have to take root 2 as common. 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. Root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 means there are 2 root 2's are there. So 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. So now in this both we can take root 2. One root 2 is common and also x is common. Root 2 taken common, x is taken common, one x is left. Here one root 2 taken common, one root 2 left and x already taken common. So what left? Again I will repeat here. In root 2 x square, root 2 and 1 x is common, 1 x is left. Here 2 means root 2 into root 2. One root 2 taken common, still one more root 2 is there here and x already taken common here. Plus here in this both 5 is common, 5 common here what left here? X. 5 common, 1 root 2 left. So whenever you take common here, you have to get the same terms here and here. So here we got the same terms here, x plus root 2, x plus root 2. Now we can take common, x plus root 2 common. What remains here? Root 2x. Here remains 5 is equal to 0. So which implies, so now x plus root 2 common. So root 2x remains here, 5 remains here. So now when product of two terms is equal to 0, each one is equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So root 2 transform that side. X is equal to minus root 2. So root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Therefore, what are the roots here? Therefore, roots is equal to minus root 2 minus 5 by root 2. So you should be very careful whenever you get the integration numbers, root values. So minus root 2 and minus 5 root 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now we move to the next equation. This is here x minus 3 by 2 is equal to x minus 3 by x is equal to 2. Let us take first we have to convert in the general form of a quadratic equation, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. But it is not in the general form. We have to convert it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now here we will take LCM as x. When LCM is x, if there is no denominator, we have to multiply here. X into x square. Same denominator in LCM no 3. Right side 2 as is, which implies no x transform that side. X square minus 3 is equal to x into 2, 2x. Bring 2x this side. X square plus 2x on this side minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now general form of quadratic equation. Now we have to find the factors. Here minus 3. So minus 3 once 3 minus 3 plus 1 will get to minus 2. So x square as is, in place of minus 2x we can write minus 3x plus x. 1 means x. Minus 3 is equal to 0. In this both, what is common? X is common, 1x remains. So x common or 3 remains. So in this both here already x minus 3 here x minus 3. So already we have same x minus 3. Now simply we should write 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here x minus 3, here x minus 3. I will repeat here. In this both x is common, 1x is left, x common now 3 remains. So here x minus a, here also already there is x minus a. So no need to take common, that's why you have to write 1 into x minus a. 1 into x, 1 into 3. So when already we got the same term, then you have to write 1 into x minus a. Now in this both x minus a is common. So here x plus 1 is equal to 0. When product of two terms is equal to 0, each one is equal to 0. So now x minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus transform that side, x minus 3 on this side plus 3 is equal to plus 1 on this side minus 3. Therefore roots is equal to, what are the roots here? 3 and minus 1. 3 comma minus 1 are the roots of the quadratic equations. Okay, now let us move on. One more question. It is somewhat different. That's why I have taken this example here. This exercise problem. X minus 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 12. So here you can have the a minus b whole square and you can multiply with the 3. And we have to open this bracket and we can simplify. But instead of that, what we are doing means here there is x minus 4 and again here also x minus 4. So here we will change the method here, somewhat method. So that is in place of x minus 4 here and here we will substitute with another variable. Let x minus 4 is equal to a. Then it becomes, what happens? It becomes simple form of a quadratic equation. Okay, so 3 into x minus 4 means what is a? For this whole square, for this 3a square. 3 into x minus 4 is considered as a. 3a square minus 5. X minus 4 means what is a? Is equal to 12. Bring 12 this side. 3a square minus 5a minus 12 is equal to 2. There is a square quotient, you have to multiply here. 3 into minus 12 minus 36. 9 fours 36. Because we have to get 5 now. 9 fours 36. We have to get minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. So which implies 3a square minus 5a can be written as minus 9a plus 4a minus 12 is equal to 0. In this both and in this both we will take common. So 3a is common. So 1a is left here. 3 is 9. So 3 is left. Because 3 is 9 and 3 already taken common. We already taken common. A remains. Here plus in both we can take 4 as common. 4 1 4 3. So 4 common. So a remains here. 4 how many times? 12 3 times. So 3 is equal to 0. So here a minus 3, here a minus 3. Which implies a minus 3 is here a minus 3, here a minus 3. A minus 3 is common. Here what left here? 3a. Here what left here? 4 is equal to 0. When product of two terms is equal to 0, each one is equal to 0. Then what happens here? A minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3a plus 4 is equal to 0. 3a plus 4 is equal to 0. Which implies a is equal to minus 3 transform to the right side becomes plus. So 3a is equal to plus 4 transform it becomes a minus. And a is equal to minus 3 comes here minus 4 by 3. But here actually here we have to find the value of x. But here we got a value. Again we have to replace in place of what x minus 4 is equal to a. So in place of a we have to replace a. But x minus 4 is equal to a. So in place of a again we have to substitute x minus 4, which implies in place of a x minus 4 is equal to 3. And here in place of a again x minus 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3. We will repeat again here, a value 3 and a value minus 4 by 3. But a value is what here? X minus 4. Again we have, because we have to find the x value, not a value. So in place of a, x minus 4 we are writing is equal to 3. In place of a, x minus 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to minus 4 comes this side 3. Minus 4 comes this side, what happens? Plus 4. And here also minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 comes this side, what happens here? Plus 4. So which implies x is equal to 3 plus 4 what? 7. So now x is equal to LCM is what? 3. So minus 4. Here no LCM, multiply with 3. 3 4 so 12. So that is equal to 12 minus 4 8. 8 by 3. So 7 and 8 by 3. So roots is equal to 7 comma 8 by 3. These are the roots of the quadratic equations. Close.